loves, it's Olivia, and give this video a thumbs up if you're excited for sweater weather, because I know I definitely am. And on this episode of With Love Wednesdays, we are going to be making, wait for it, appetizers. And no, you didn't hear that wrong. These are indeed appetizers. These are 5-ingredient mini apple pies that are sure to be a hit at any holiday party. And before I forget, this is also a appetizer collaboration with my good friend MyCupcakeAddiction, and she does amazing decorating on her channel for stuff like Frozen, and she's making apple tacos over on her channel, so you definitely want to check out her yummy treats. And I also want to know if you guys enjoy eating apple pie on its own or if you like to eat it with ice cream. So let me know in the comments below if you are team apple pie a la mode or team old-fashioned apple pie. Okay, now without further ado, let's get started on our appetizers.
Here are the 5 simple ingredients that we'll need. 6 baby apples chopped into pieces, or 3 medium apples, and I used a mixture of Gala and Granny Smith apples for both a sweet and tart flavor. 1/3 cup of coconut sugar, which is a healthier alternative to brown sugar. 1½ tablespoons of almond meal or almond flour, and this is going to be our thickening agent, so I'm using this instead of your regular flour or cornstarch. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon to make it taste all cinnamony, and 24 wonton wrappers to make our cups. So the first thing we're going to do is lightly spray our wonton wrappers with some coconut cooking spray. Then we're going to take our coconut sugar and spread it on top. This is so our wonton wrappers get some flavor. Once that's done, we're going to sprinkle on a little bit of cinnamon. Just a tiny bit so it gives it flavor but doesn't overpower it. Then we're going to flip over all of our wonton wrappers and repeat the same steps on the other side. Once again, we're going to spray it with our coconut cooking spray. Then sprinkle on our coconut sugar and some cinnamon. So that's it for our first batch, and we're going to do one more batch so we have 24 wonton wrappers in total. Then we're going to spray our muffin tin with some more cooking spray. Now we're going to take our wonton wrappers and place them in the muffin tins. We're going to use 2 wonton wrappers per cup. Once that's done, these go in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to start making our filling. First, we're going to spray our pan with some cooking spray. Then we're going to add in our coconut sugar so that it can start caramelizing. And in goes our cinnamon so it can get a little bit toasty. We're going to give it a quick mix and then add in some water. Altogether, we're going to add about 1/4 cup. The water is going to help turn this into a nice caramel sauce. Once everything is melted and bubbling, we're going to add in our apples. We want to stir it around until everything is well combined. After about 3 to 5 minutes and the apples have started to soften, we're going to add in our almond meal. It's turning nice and gooey just like apple pie filling. Now we're going to take our filling and fill them into our cups that have cooled for a little bit. I seriously cannot wait to eat one.
Okay guys, you know what time it is. My favorite time. The time for the taste test. And I will pretend that I haven't already eaten 2 of these today. These are that good. Alright, here we go. This is so delicious, and the outside is crunchy, and even when it cools down, the wonton wraps are still super crunchy and delicious, and you just have to make these. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That lets me know you guys enjoy these types of recipe videos, and I'll continue making them for you guys. And of course, you need to head on over to MyCupcakeAddiction and check out her apple pie tacos, because they are absolutely amazing and such a treat. So that about wraps it up, you guys. Make sure you click below with all the pretty bows to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And remember to do everything with love. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!